Unoyalam ke HSPDP ba kipi Pangniang ulapan pau ke jing Artatien laki arwat ki menteri rang ba jo ke jala Meghalaya bar ka Assam kilane manye Pynbeit yo por Assam jong hindrutli ki jaka ki baha ba ka ja Shwa jo ka arpoi tering mentau benai uba Pangniang ulong ba ka kam galong ka kam ka ba e baru kirmen bara ka jing shampang bar ka jing start jong baro arwat ki menteri rang ba ki pait ba ka jala ki sala bari I ka jing job.
With regard to this ongoing settlement of the boundary, interstate boundary, I have no say at all at present, because I remember last year on the 15th of December, while the Chief Minister called all parties meeting in the conference room, at that point of time I have raised one query that it seems that settlement of boundary within the month of December or before celebration the 50 years statehood of Meghalaya, it seems that it is not a possible task. But I have seen today only through the media report that the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam and Meghalaya, they have time and again they had a meeting to declare some sector of all those 6 sectors that had already put in place the report to both governments of the state of Assam and Meghalaya. But I don't see that, with due respect, the government of India, of Assam and Meghalaya would be able to declare the clear settlement of these long pending dispute of the boundary. That is according to my personal comments or opinion. But hopefully that the wisdom and the positive response of both Chief Minister of Meghalaya and Assam, along with the intervention of the central government, we could see the light of the day in the near future.